My name is Daniel Terry. I'm Senior Superintendent with Contrack Watts on the Honolulu Airport Consolidated Rental Car Facility. The building consists of a cast-in-place concrete structure, approximately 210,000 square foot QTA, which is a quick turnaround area, which consists of car washes, fueling bays, and all the maintenance facilities for the rental car operations. We've chosen the PERI GarageDeck system. Because of the complexity of the building, we have areas where there's over 29 different beam configurations, and the PERI system allows us to make modifications in the field quickly and economically. Working for 30 years in this industry, doing concrete construction all over the world, I've been able to work with many different systems throughout the world, both American and European systems. We found with the PERI system in this particular installation is the ability to easily modify it. As it's a wood-based system, it's easily modified by the carpenters. It can be reconfigured very quickly. It allows for all the different changes, conditions, and mostly all the additional penetration that you have to make through the system, which you could not do with a steel-based or framed-out system. Some of the issues that we found, the advantage with the PERI system is the legs that they use, the aluminum leg supports, allow us to span that as a single leg. The system's also designed where the legs can stay attached and hinge up, swing up, and be transported with the main form. They do not have to be disassembled as the other companies had or other systems that we reviewed. It also allowed us to expedite the movement from floor to floor. We were able to transport the form complete, in the case of beams and girder forms, as a complete assembly with all legs, all supports attached to it, thus making the movement and resetting much more economical than it was available by any of the competitors. Again, with the system, here in Hawaii, this was the first time the system's been applied to such a large structure. We had to go through a little bit of a learning curve with the system, but we found as soon as the system went into play and we started using it, it gave us the ability to start reducing labor quickly. We were able to get it down to a very small, manageable crew that is able to produce the operation of stripping and resetting the forms with minimal hours and handling. Again, one of the factors that led us to choosing PERI for the system was the support we've gotten. The GarageDeck manager has been readily available to assist us through the process selection time with all questions asked. And then when we physically started to work, he came here himself, spent weeks with us and our crews to train up and get us competent to be able to work the system efficiently and safely. Other advantage with the system, the way it collapses into itself, is the ability to move it, relocate it, and reinstall it with a single forklift, as opposed to needing the craneage that some of the other systems required. That would be a massive amount of cost to a job, and when you have a limited site and access area, the forklifts make it much more economical way to handle the forms.
My name is Schreckengost. I'm the GarageDeck manager for PERI Formwork. We're here at the Honolulu Conrac, which is being built by Watts Construction. This project has been ongoing for close to a year now, and they have finished phase 1 and 2 and are currently building phases 4 and 5. The contractor has chose this system after looking at several of our competitor systems. Some of the reasons they chose this system was the ability for us to perform these 16-foot high bays with a single leg. The other reason they chose this system was because of the flexibility that we have. We have the ability to go from a 12-inch beam to a 36-inch beam, any height up to 42 inches. There was 29 beam sizes on the first phase of this Conrac, and there are 9 beam sizes on the second phase. They were able to adapt those 29 sizes back to the 9 sizes they needed for the next phase.
Hi, my name is Satia Loane Jr. We're here at Honolulu International Airport using the PERI Garage system. What I like about it is it's user-friendly, it's easy, it's not really labor-intensive. You don't need 10 men to use it. It's forklift-friendly, it's lightweight, it's fast to learn and really easy to use and sets up real quick.
Again, we've had such a success using the PERI system that we would gladly choose PERI again in the future. I would gladly choose PERI again in the future to construct another Conrac anywhere within the world.